Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our smart band. In the app, we need to tap on Devices. Oh, my bad. Let's go back, tap on Devices. I select our Huawei Band 7 smart band from the list of devices. On this page, find this icon in the top right corner and tap on it to open the menu. Then tap on Unpair Device and tap on OK. And the Huawei Band 7 should disappear from the list of devices. We can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, find the Huawei Band 7 on the list of My Devices, tap on Info icon next to it, and tap on Forget this device, then forget this device to disconnect the smart band from our iPhone. You can also go to your smart band, press the side button to wake up the screen, and then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, you can scroll down, tap on System and Updates, then find the option called Disconnect, tap on it, and tap on the check mark to confirm to completely disconnect the smart band from your phone. And you can tap on Continue or press the side button to go back to watch face. And now you can connect different device to your smart band. Okay, and that's how you unpair this smart band from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.